Have you ever been to London? I was in London 5 years ago. How did you learn English? I've been studying by myself. How is it going? Great, couldn't be better. How is your kitchen equipped? There is a cooker, a fridge, a cupboard, a sink and a dining table in the kitchen. How much money do you have? Not a lot. Shall we go to the show tonight? Yes, let's go. The lift does not work, does it? The lift is being repaired. What countries would you like to visit? I'd like to visit England. What do you do? I work as a teacher. What do you like doing in your free time? I like reading books in English. What is this green stuff? It tastes like cabbage. What shall we do this today? How about play baseball? What street do you live in? I live in Pyatnitskaya Street. What time do you close? We close at 12. What time does the flight leave? It leaves at 5. What type of food do you enjoy to eat, Western or Asian? I'm interested in Asian food. Western food is not my thing. What's wrong? There's something in my eye. Where are you from? I'm from India. Where do you live? I live in Berlin. Why was the electricity stopped? The electricity was stopped because the people did not pay for it. Why were you so late? I had to wait half an hour for the bus. Would you like to go out tonight? I'd rather not. Are you fond of poetry? I am fond of poetry. Are you keen on reading? Yes, I'm. Are you waiting for a bus? No, I'm waiting for a taxi. Are you watching TV? No, I'm not. Can I ask you a few personal questions? Certainly. Can you bake a cake? Yes, I can bake a cake. Can you bring a barrel of petrol? Yes, I will bring you a barrel of petrol. Did you like the movie? It's one of the best I've ever seen. Do you like forests? We go to the nearest forest this weekend. Do you live with your parents? Yeah, we live together. Do you need any incentive to do it? I don't need any incentive because I like doing it. Do you often use YouTube? Every day. Do you want some more tea? Yes, please. Do you wear a dressing gown at home? Yes, I wear a dressing gown at home. How do you eliminate cockroaches? There are several reliable insecticides to eliminate cockroaches. How long is your passport valid? My passport is valid for the rest of my life. How many pupils were there in your class? There were 32 pupils in our class. How much is this altogether? $100. How often do you have a vacation? I have a vacation once a year. Is that the one? Yes, that's it. Is there a hotel near here, not very expensive? No, I'm afraid not. Is your family numerous? There are 3 of us in our family, my husband, a daughter and I. Should we have dinner at home? No, let's go to a restaurant. These flowers are nice, aren't they? Yes, what kind are they? What do you plan for the near future? We plan to go to the theater next week. What happened to the gang boss? He was done and dumped in the river. What is the English for an area of land which is surrounded by water from all sides? Island. What is the English for meat of a pig? Meat of a pig is called pork in English. What is your favorite movie? That is a good question. Let me think.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.